What's up? I'm back. A little bit different setup this time, though. I think this is gonna be much easier, you know? So, yeah. So we're doing a, 2000s kid. So we're gonna be reacting to some 2000s kid nostalgia. Now, the thing with me is that I actually, like, hold on. Do a little bit of, there we go. So basically I kind of grew up in this era, but not really. Sorta not. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna know a lot of the things there. I think I'll know a lot of the things on here. So let's get right into it. Yeah, definitely. That is a definite, oh my goodness. PlayStation. We'll turn it up a bit. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, hold on. It's a little bit off camera, sorry.
This is Boomerang from Cartoon Network.
Winner. One. Got a blast! Oh my gosh. So that's where it's gonna be. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yes! I remember that very much. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. I don't remember that. For me, it wasn't so much the Xbox, it was more the Xbox 360 that I remember mostly. Yeah. THQ. Pretty good. I never played Mario Kart DS before. I literally haven't. Don't know why. Oh my goodness. Every Disney DVD that we had, that we watched, mainly Cars, though. It had that exactly. Exactly that. Bruh. First time I saw that, I was thinking I was watching, Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory. The original. Oh my goodness. I've never saw the show, but I know what it is. This is a classic. I love this. Let's find out. A 1, a 2, a 3. Oh! 3. Actually, if you do the research, you would actually know. The world does know, though. I don't remember that. Kind of scares me. Of course I know. Of course I know. Moose and Z. Let's go. Hannah Montana. Miley Cyrus. My goodness. What's this? Pink Panther, bro. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen this show yet. I was thinking about it. Oh no. Bring the Cartoon Network back. There you go. Yeah, bud. I love Windows Vista. I've had that before. What's this? I've never played it. I love the theme though. I love the theme. Sorry. Too much energy. Bro, no. I do not like Ben 10 at all. Never. I will never like Ben 10. Oh, yeah. Geico Commercial. Yeah. I've seen it before. It looks exactly like him. Geico, 15% could save you 50%. Yeah. Oh. Hey, wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. Guys. I promise. I know Dragon Ball. Please don't hate me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sadly to say, I've never watched Dragon Ball ever. Sorry, I haven't watched it. Oh my gosh, hold up. Sorry about that. I didn't know what happened. I really didn't. It just like, for you it was like sort of like a really glitchy thing. I don't know. But anyway, let's get back into it, I guess. Yeah, something weird happened, I don't know. Yeah, I've never watched Dragon Ball before. I've never seen that.
Check it out. I crush the alien. Well, I crush the director. I crush the tiki. I crush a Danimal's Crush Cup. Huh? Yeah, new Danimal's Crush Cups. You crush it and slurp it. Cool. No spoon? Nope. Just crush and slurp for a blast of fruity flavor.
He didn't even crush it.
I crush you crushing a Danimal's Crush.
That's weird. I remember this. This commercial was always on. Always on. After SpongeBob, this is what will come up. Ah!
It's all that cinnamon and sugar that makes those crunchy little squares so irresistible.
Yeah.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, part of this good breakfast. Crave those crazy squares.
I probably have to mute this out because it's copyrighted. It's the Proud Family. I've watched it before. What in the world? What is this? I'm getting chills. What is this? What? What is happening? No. I wanted to see more of that. If you knew what that was, please tell me in the comments. Universal. Okay. Yeah, everybody's seen this. Everybody's seen this, bro. Everybody's seen this. Everybody's seen this. Everybody has seen Universal. It's in the front. This is the intro and before everything. Soul Drama. Never seen it. Never. I have never seen this before. I'm trying to talk as much so there's not a copyright strike. Apples and Jacks. I hate Apples and Jacks. Sorry, all the people that love it. I hate it. Okay, it's not my preference. I love the commercials, but I don't like eating it. Okay. Whatever that is. Cinnamon. I can't tell if Applejack's is being racist or uncultured. I can't tell. I don't know. Tell me. Samurai Jack. Never seen Samurai Jack. I might sometime. I don't know. They said there's a lot of connections between Samurai Jack and Powerpuff Girls. I kind of believe it because they're made by the same people, and Samurai Jack looks exactly like the professor or whatever his name is. The guy that made the Powerpuff Girls, you know? Like with the X thing. Yeah, it's Disney! Everybody's seen Disney! Everybody's seen the castle, you know? You know what I'm talking about? Bah! Bah! Trying to do loud noises, so oh my gosh. I'm a yes you be. Credit was fat. F-R-E-E, that's the saw my credit on my dee-ba boo-ba bee-ba ba-ba-dee-ba-dee-ba bass boost this. Offer by roller. I love that. Not this. I'm not sure about this. Hi, I'm Paul. I remember that. After every single Jimmy Neutron episode. If you know, you know. I've never seen this. That has to be banned. This has to be banned. This has to be banned in America. This has to be banned in America because it has a bad word in it. It must be banned in America. Why Disney? Why is there a lot of Disney? Da da da. This was before Aladdin. Dope. I've had these before, but this commercial scares me.
It's the money you could be saving with Geico.
Okay.
Even after this commercial ends, he'll be here waiting. He just wants you to save money. Geico, 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car.
50 minutes can save 50% or more car insurance, bro. More Disney. Yes, because that's everyone's childhood. Thank you, Disney. Your product placement. Thank you. Thank you so much, especially Pixar. Pixar, you know what you gotta do. You gotta have that Pixar. That's what you gotta do that. My gosh. I've seen it before. Yes! This was the best version, bro. You can't change my mind. It's right there! It's me! Thank God that's gone. I know! Dude! I was jamming up to that! Why the panda? Why the panda? Sorry I'm too loud. There's gonna be a noise warning. Just saying. There's a noise warning in this video, so you've been warned. Now there's gonna be loud coming from me and this. Let's go. This is a weird commercial though. I've never seen it. I feel his pain, bro. Oh my gosh. You gotta love this guy, though. I've seen clips of it. Drinking juice, boy. Let's go. Let's go. I love it. I love it, your culture. I've seen this before. Yeah! There you go! Yeah! Okay! What was that? Let me know in the comments. Is this the beginning of mumble rap? They should have continued that. Psycho, you're killing me. Sorry about that. Love courage. If you don't love courage, you're a culture. Okay. Dexter's Lab. Well, I don't like DD. DD freaks me out. Shed boy RD. Bass boost, bro. There's gonna be bass boost coming up. I'm telling you. Just so you know. Just so you know. Big bass boost. Okay? You're gonna get loud. It's gonna get real loud. Okay? There you go. You've been warned. I've had one of those. Respect it! Oh my god. I love Wii Sports, bro. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum, bum. Woo! I've never seen South Park. I know that's South Park, but I've never watched it before. I've seen the intro. I prefer Teen Titans Go, though. Teen Titans! I prefer... Hi, I'm Paul. They're repeating stuff. You're watching Disney Channel. I knew it. What is this? I've never seen this. Got me! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! There we go. I had to yell because it's copyrighted. I'm growing hair, okay? Shut up. How long are we in? Are we almost done? Okay. I've never seen that before. Oh, it's Crash Bandicoot, okay. Of course I know what Crash Bandicoot is. Never played it, though. Ah! There you go. I told you there's a noise warning. Was it attitude? No one lives good. Oh, come on! I was jamming. And you gotta go, nope. I've seen this before. This is giving me major first vibes, bro. When I was like a little youngin', bro. What the heck is this? Oh. They're repeating stuff. They keep repeating it. Stop repeating. I've never seen Johnny Bravo, bro. Sadly, I've never seen it. I've never seen Johnny Bravo. Loves that SpaghettiOs, bro. When I was a kid, I loved it, bro. It's like the ramen I eat today. I loved it. What are they saying? I prefer Raven's Home, honestly. But I'll have to watch That's a Raven, though. What's this? Is this Cartoon Network? Yeah, it's Cartoon Network. Dreamcast? I've never had a Dreamcast before, so I wouldn't understand. Yeah! Game Boy! Is that it? Gotta have that DreamWorks, boy. Gotta have that DreamWorks. I'm losing my voice from this. I'm sorry. Yeah! DreamWorks! Let's get hype! Let's get hype! So hyped up. That it? Yeah! Xbox 360, baby! And I think that's it. Nope! Respect the pouch!
It's the money you could be saving.
Okay, they're repeating stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, I yelled too much. My voice is dying. I know you can barely feel it, but I can feel it. I know you can barely hear it, but I can feel it. I can feel that my, it's like, oh my gosh. But hey, I was genuinely super psyched about this, because like, that's my childhood. You know, that's my childhood, you know? I mean, that's my childhood, you know, it's like, I always go back to my childhood stuff, you know? Nostalgia, you know? You know that nostalgia stuff. Everybody knows that nostalgia stuff. You know what I mean? I bet y'all do, okay? My 2000 Kids gang. My homeboys out there. If you know some of the stuff that was in this video that I have no idea what it was, please tell me. Please tell me what it was, because I have no idea what that was, you know? Like, I don't know. But yeah, I definitely remember like all of it, bro. Like I wouldn't say all of it. I'd say most of it. I know most of it. Yeah. That's what I kind of grew up with. I wouldn't classify myself as a 2010s kid, because the 2010 stuff is more of like the generation now, with like Paw Patrol and stuff like that, and I don't like that stuff. Genuinely, I do not like it. I like the stuff that I watch. It's just things that they didn't even show on there that I grew up with and adore the most. Little Bill, Oswald, oh my gosh, Word, yeah, English, okay. Word World is definitely part of it. Oh my, Blue's Clues was on there. Love Blue's Clues. A lot of Nick shows, old Nick shows, bro. No, I wouldn't say 90s, I'd say early 2000s. That was my era. SpongeBob. Fairly Odd Parents. You know? You know, if you know, you know. Jimmy Neutron. I'd say Jimmy Neutron was part of my childhood. Because that high on Paul scares me for life. Alright. There was a noise warning. Bro, there was a noise warning in the beginning of this video. Because I got too loud. I got too hyped up because this was my childhood. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe. Please comment. Please comment. If you made it this far into the video, comment. There's a special word I want y'all to comment. And that special word is gonna be Mountain Dew, bro. Mountain Dew. Comment that if you made it this far, okay? I'm gone. Later.
My left stroke just went viral.